Alright, it's Mater 35 here on BoxBusters.tv. Guys, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. We are doing 2 boxes of 2014 Bowman Chrome. Thank you so much, guys, for getting in tonight's break. We do have another break supposed to be scheduled for tonight, 2014 Prism Football, but my distributors got me the wrong product, but that it will be tomorrow, rescheduled for 9:30. So I emailed everybody, and if you guys didn't get an email, I'll definitely email you, but that'll be for tomorrow. So I'm getting the product for sure tomorrow, but I thought I got it with this order I did here, but instead they sent me baseball, which is kind of weird. So, but here we go. Good luck to everybody. Box 1. And box 2. Here we go, guys. Good luck to everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Here we go. Last pack, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Thanks again for joining in tonight's break, and happy Thanksgiving again for everybody. Hopefully you guys ate a bunch of food. Here we go. Good luck. Here we go. Mike Evans, rookie for the Buccaneers. Refractor, Alfred Morris for the Redskins. Jimmy Garoppolo Patriots. Bowman Best die cut. Brandon Cooks franchise mini for the Saints. Prism Mike Davis. 271 Prism for the Raiders. Mike Davis. Alright, let's keep going. Richard Sherman refractor for the Seahawks. Clowney Bowman Best for the Texans. Refractor Pierre Desser for the Browns. Clowney top shelf for the Texans. Sammy Watkins refractor for the Bills. Trent Richardson out of 299 black refractor for the Colts. James White refractor for the Patriots. Damian Williams out of 299 black refractor for the Dolphins. Bishop Sankey franchise mini for the Titans. Alright, let's keep rolling. Michael Sam refractor for the Cowboys. Alright, here's our hit for the Titans, Bishop Sankey. Congratulations to the Titans, Bishop Sankey. For the Titans. Alright, there we go. Reggie Bush refractor for the Lions. Kelvin Benjamin refractor for the Panthers. Got a blue coming up. Victor Cruz out of 199 blue refractor for the Giants. Victor Cruz. Oh, here's the second one. Richard Rodgers for the Packers. Congratulations to the Packers, Richard Rodgers. Richard Rodgers. You might see another auto, who knows? Tom Brady, this one's pretty cool. A 271 Prism for the Patriots. It's a nice insert card. Tom Brady, Odell Beckham Jr. rookie for the Giants. Maurice Jones-Drew refractor for the Raiders. Jordan Matthews Bowman Best for the Eagles. Derek Carr top shelf insert for the Raiders. Let's keep rolling. Here we go. The last stack. Oops. Got away from me. Jimmy Garoppolo, the Patriots mini. Robert Herron refractor for the Buccaneers. What do we got here? Oh, Marquise Lee blue refractor out of 199 for the Jaguars. Yeah, I like the pulsars too. Who too there, Annie? Kadeem Carey Bowman Best for the Bears. And that's it, guys. That completes the 2-box break of 2014 Bowman Chrome football. Guys, here's our follow-up. We got Bishop Sankey for the hits and Richard Rodgers for the Packers. Guys, thank you so much for joining in this break again, guys. The Prism football break will be tomorrow at 9:30. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a fantastic rest of your Thanksgiving day. Hope you guys have a fantastic upcoming weekend. Enjoy Black Friday tomorrow. Woohoo! Get some shopping done. Thanks again, guys. Mater35 here on BoxBusters.tv. Hold on.